Hello, I am Ivan and I would like to present you our remote desktop application that is made for health med institutions. It's still in alpha and I will show you how it works. Now I will present you how we imagine this application being used by some corporate health med institution. So when I log in on my iPad, I can go to the settings area, and here in the settings we have specific options for our application where we can define the remote desktop IP and password. Also we can set it to be auto connect, so when we hit our application, as you can see, it's instantly connected on the remote desktop, and this is good because in that way doctors don't have to worry about the IP address and IT related stuff. They can just take the iPad and use our application. As you can see, we have our iPad application running and we are connected on the remote desktop. So when I hit the start button, it's instantly updated on the remote desktop application or iPad application. So the user experience is pretty much the same like on the real PC. As you can see, I can move around this icon. When I double tap, like a double left click, I get the notepad open. I can scroll. And when I have some delicate operation that I have to do, I can zoom in like with pinching. If I want to minimize this, so I can zoom back out. And we actually prepared a little demo here that we want to show you. This is how we imagine this application is going to be used. We made some pretty rookie personal patients database, so just to present you how this can be actually applied for some health med institution. And I have a keyboard button here, so when I hit it, the keyboard pops up. When I hit it again, it pops back in. On the upper left corner I have a disconnect button, and when I hit that, we are disconnected from the remote desktop PC, and that is not what we're going to do now. And in this application form, we have to enter first name and last name, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to input my first and last name. Okay, we have a patient ID. We're going to put anything in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is good. So, and then again, when I have something smaller that I need to be precise about, I can zoom in with a pinch, and we will select, for example, high temperature. With 2 fingers I can pan around the screen. Okay, for example, we have to select the weekly visits here. Now it's 1 and more. We are going to select, for example, 3 or more visits on the weekly basis. So I'm going to zoom back out. Now I'm going to scroll this page so I can finish this form. We can describe some patient health status here. For example, high temperature for a couple days. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom back in because I have to select some recommended medication. In this example, we are going to use ibuprofen and paracetamol. And then when I hit submit button, we submitted that to some database, and this is how we imagine being used. For example, this is how the browsing looks like. So I can scroll this page, and everything is happening simultaneously on the iPad, on the remote desktop application. And for example, if we hit this link, everything is going to be loaded. And then again, you can use your 2 fingers to pinch in if you want to see something in a greater detail. Okay, that's it. That's the presentation of our application. Thank you for watching.